Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, before we jump into the video, guys, please remember to like out the channel, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notification bell. Guys, share the channel with your friends, your family. Just share it so we can grow together. I know I took a break, but I'm back now. So just share out the video for me and the channel. Recommend it to someone. Tell somebody new. So every time you see a friend, you just tell them, say, hey, this girl on YouTube, she have a nice little channel about birds and pets. I think it's worth watching. So you can just share it out to me, right? Thank you in advance. Anyway, guys, before we go into the video, I couldn't know say there are some changes, but as you go, you will see them, okay? So today's video is all about the Barble Dove. Can you see? Of course, I was on the nice close up, and then I remember that I had zoom in. So I didn't zoom out after I had zoom in, so I decided to close up. So yeah, I have one pair of Barble Dove, that white female, and the next one in the nest. So far, she have given us 3 babies, and they are currently sitting on 2 eggs. Now, they had given us another pair of baby. However, those I don't know. We just came home and found her nest full of ants. So what we did to combat that was just sprinkle ants powder in it, and it worked. Now these are the 2 eggs that the bird is sitting on. As you can see, I was moving him so we could get a better view of it. And that's it. If you look, you will notice that the colors are different. The one closest to him is it looks spoiled because it's not solid. It's not firm like my baby's in it. It's not all that white. It's somewhat transparent. Opaque is what when we can't see inside it. So the one furthest from him is opaque, and one closest to him is a bit transparent. As you can see the white, and you can see the liquid in that egg. The next one you're not able to see that. So from this batch, I'm expecting just one baby. And guys, when I tell you, say she start the process over fairly quickly. I mean fairly quickly, because as soon as this baby is out of the nest, she's in there again, laying and sitting on eggs. Yeah. So what I noticed, you have to feed them regularly for them to perform at top notch. Anyway, guys, remember to like the channel, subscribe to the video, and turn on your post notification bell.